Today we are going to do unboxing of our Kasa Smart Wi-Fi plug mini. This is a Kasa Smart model HS103. I just recently got it, and let's see what's in it. We open this box, and right here there's this foam cushioning and instruction manual. It tells you how to download the app and how to connect the plug. I already been using Kasa Smart Wi-Fi plugs, so I kind of have an idea what I'm doing. But if you need help, you can read it. Now we're gonna grab the plug. So the plug-in has a nice cover on it. It has the branding TP-Link on it. Let's get it out of the packaging. So first thing, we plug the adapter in the electric plug. So you see this orange and blue flashing light, so it means it's trying to connect. Next thing that we do, we download the Kasa app. Open the Kasa app and click on the plus button on right corner. Click on device, then click on smart plugs. Click on smart plugs Lite and mini. We need the app to connect it to Wi-Fi. Click next. Then you see this slide where it says Wi-Fi Lite. Click next, and now you have to connect it to Wi-Fi. So you go in your Wi-Fi settings, you select the networks, you see the TP-Link, you find it below. Click on TP-Link, connect it to the TP-Link Wi-Fi, and then you wait and go back to the app. So it's supposed to connect in like 10-15 seconds. Now you can connect it to your home Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect it to my home Wi-Fi. So now the smart Wi-Fi plug is ready to use. You can name it whatever you want to name your device. I have one and I'm naming it to device 2, but you can name it whatever you want. You can add a picture, you can select lamp, fan, whatever, but I'm just using it as a charging adapter, so I'm gonna click on the first one and save it. So it's for my bedroom. You can select whatever, you can customize it as you want. Now it's all connected. It's asking for an update. I'm gonna do an update. When you go in the app, it will look like this. So you click on the power button and it will turn on your plug-in without even touching it. So the blue light means it's on. Now we turn it off and we'll see there's no blue light on the plug anymore, so it's not connected to the electricity. And this app is really cool. You can power it on, power it off. You can schedule the activity, what time you want it on, which days, from what time to what time you want the plug-in to power on and power off. You can customize it according to your needs. If you want it for outdoor lights, or you can customize it for night. This is the best feature. This is timer. I use it a lot. I use the timer for my phone charging. I set up the timer for 30 minutes and then I leave it. There's different options. You can select dates and time and days when you want the plug to turn on, turn off. This activity section, it shows you how much time you're running it for. These TP-Link Wi-Fi plugs come with 2 years of warranty. They're very cool. You can use them with Alexa, Google Home, or any smart home devices that you use. I really like these. Thanks for watching and stay connected for more